Welcome back, everybody, and today we're getting an early look at the Harbor Freight Dollar Days that's going to be going on from July 2nd to the 15th. This got leaked a little bit early, and I wanted to bring you guys these deals, so let's get started. First thing we got in the sale here is a Chicago Electric Heat Shrink Tubing Assortment 9-piece for $1, 66% off. That is a great deal on that. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 1-inch steel spring clamp. This is $1, 22% off. I'll tell you guys, I just recently used clamps like this. They weren't Pittsburghs. These do have a lifetime warranty, if I didn't mention that. But I had to do a window motor and regulator in my car, and I got an older Subaru that does not have a window frame around the window. So when I disconnected the regulator from the window, I used these clamps, pinched them on each side of the window to hold it up to keep them from falling. Came in very handy for that. And then the last thing we have in this roll is a super glue gel 3-pack, $1, 49% off. I've used this before. It works all right. Not the greatest thing out there, but for $1, it does work. Starting off this roll, we got the 1-inch roller ball bearing that seems like it's always on here for $1, 56% off. Not a bad deal on that. Now, if you do tranny fluid on your cars, a lot of times you need a funnel like this. This is the 18-inch long neck funnel, $2, 59% off. That is a great deal. And like I said, a lot of people like me who do automotive use them for a tranny fills. Some of the newer cars just have a hole in them. They don't even have a dipstick, and this will help you get down there. If you use it for anything else, leave a comment down below. Finishing off this row, we got the Merlin 1/4-inch steel automotive plug, your choice, $2, 19% off. Not too bad of a deal, and they do got that in female or male. Starting off this row, we got the Hallmaster camouflage elastic stretch cord piece for $2, 49% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty 16-foot by 3/4 quick find tape measure with the ABS casing, $2, 33% off. I do have a bunch of these. It seems like every time I see a sale on it, I pick one up because they seem to get lost all the time. They're not the best tape measure out there, but they do work pretty good. And I think sometimes they do give these for free, if I remember right. I think I might have got one of mine for a free gift. Then finishing off this row, we got the Storehouse Electrical Clip Set, 28-piece. This is $2, 33% off. Not a bad deal. Starting off this row, we got a Quinn Lifetime Warranty 2-inch putty knife, $2, 33% off. That's a great deal on a good putty knife. Next up here, we have the 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant 9mm tarp, $3, 49% off. That's a good deal on that. Then finishing off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 4.5-inch 40-pound suction cup lifter, $3, 39% off. I do have one of these from a different company, and like I said before, what I use them for is sometimes, like say you're playing basketball and your car's right there and somebody shoves you into your car fender and it puts that nice big old dent in it. Sometimes you can pop this on that fender and pop it out. I'm sure there's other uses for it too. Leave a comment down below on what you guys use it for. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh Tubeless Tire Repair Kit, 9-piece, $4, 42% off. That is a good deal. Somebody like me, where I got golf carts, go-karts, mowers, and stuff because I live out in the country, this comes in handy because we're always running screws or nails over. Plus, for $4, I would throw this in your car and then have a portable inflator because that might save you one day on the road. You get a nail or a screw and your tire goes flat. You got everything in your car to fix it. That is a great deal on that and a good idea for you guys to use it for. Then we got the Gordon Utility Blade with dispenser 50-pack, $4, 33% off. That is a great deal, and I like how they give you a case. The last time I bought some blades like this, I just got a bunch of them laying, and that's not very safe, so I might pick this up just to have this case to put them in. Then the next thing we have here is the Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty socket rail set 3-piece, $4, 19% off. I'm not a big fan of these. I mean, they're all right, but my favorite ones are actually on Amazon. I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check them out. They are a little bit more money, but they also have a lot more features than what these do. Starting off this row, we have Western Safety Face Shield with the flip-up visor, $4, 19% off. These come in great, like if you're grinding with a grinder, anything like that where you got sparks flying and debris flying, it's a good idea to use these. Then we got the 3-inch solid rubber swivel casters for $4, 19% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with a D-ring for $5, 16% off. just above our threshold of 15% that we tried to shoot for. Starting off this row, we got a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive Starbit socket set, 9-piece, 39% off. That is a great deal for a socket set like that. Then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, ratcheting screwdriver set. This is a 34-piece for $6, 39% off. That is a great deal on that. And finishing off this row, we got the Bauer 5-pocket utility holster for $7, 22% off. That's not a bad deal at all. Starting off this row, we got a ratcheting hard hat for $8, 33% off. That's a great deal. Next up here, we have a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 3/8 drive SAE and metric spark plug socket set, 5-piece for $8, 19% off. That is not a bad deal for a spark plug socket set. And then finishing off this sale that we're going to go over is Hercules 2.5-inch bimetal wide cut blade for oscillating multi-tools, $9, only 9% off though. Man, this weekend would have been a perfect time to pick something like this up where you had the 30% off under 20. That would have been the time to snag this up because this one is not a great deal. So as always, when I go over to Dollar Days, something else I like to add in, let's see if there's any new tools since the last time we looked. All right, looking at new tools here, we have quite a few new tools since the last time we were in here. First off here, we got a Hercules 15 amp, 8 1/4 inch compact table saw with the rack and pinion fence for $299.99. That would be very handy if you're into doing stuff where you're building with wood. That looks like a very good setup right there. Next up, we have some new Bauer 20-volt 5 amp hour lithium-ion battery bundle 2-pack for $139.99. Next up here, we have a Bauer 5.5 gallon 5-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum for $79.99. That might be interesting to get. If they've run that on a sale, I might have to pick that one up. And then finishing off this row, we got a Bauer 22-inch modular tool bag for $69.99. Let's see what else they got. Starting off this row, we got the Central Machinery 4-step rock polishing abrasives for $14.99. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh multi-purpose funnel set, 3-piece for $5.69. And this is a real good one too, because if you look at it, if I can get it to quit moving there, this one right here, the blue one, that'd be for like tranny fluid, and then you would have oil, and then you would have coolant, and that comes in a nice little set there, and they do got the little tab on here to hang stuff. That would be very handy. Not a bad setup right there. Next up here, we have the Predator 4200 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with the CO security technology for $799.99. Then finishing off this row, we got the Badlands 6-ton off-road jacks for $169.99. And there you have it. There is all the new tools since the last time we checked them. And there you go. There are the Dollar Days going on from July 2nd to July 15th. A lot of good things in here. Leave a comment down below on what you guys would pick. I'll tell you what, if you're newer into tools, some of those Pittsburgh socket sets, now would be the time to pick them up. Leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear what you want to snag out of this. And also, I already told you that vacuum in the new tools, if that goes on sale, I might have to snag that. Is there any new tools you guys are interested in? Leave that comment down below also. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God. And I'll see you all on the next one.